Stop trying to hire your way to quota. If you run a sales team with 10 to 50 reps, the quota crushing machine you're looking for is probably already on your payroll. It's just misaligned. I'm Ben, founder of P3 Firm. We built the Peak Potential Profile system to turn your current team into a quota crushing machine in 90 days without hiring new reps. You can see the 3 core problems on this page: unpredictable revenue, missed targets and pressure, reactive leadership, constant firefighting, fragmented culture, disengagement, and turnover. You don't have a people problem. You have a system and alignment problem. That's what Peak Potential Profile fixes. As the 4 phases scroll by: diagnose, full team behavioral assessments to reveal hidden performance gaps and potential; align, leadership debrief that maps each rep to their unique sales DNA and role; activate, coaching playbooks and retention strategies that turn underperformers into closers; sustain, tools and KPI dashboards that make the results stick and create a self-improving team. It works because it's built on behavioral science. When you understand how reps process information, handle pressure, and build relationships, you stop fighting their wiring and start engineering environments where they win. That's why you see 87% improvement in quota attainment, 64% improvement in retention, 156% faster pipeline velocity, and the hidden costs. On a 25-rep team, 5 underperformers can leak $2 to $4 million in lost revenue every year. Here's why this offer is a no-brainer. With the core Peak Potential Diagnostic Package, you get full team behavioral assessments, a performance and alignment report, a leadership debrief, and 90-day roadmap. Most firms charge what a new rep costs just for that. You also get the bonus stack: 12-month assessment license, P3 AI Leadership Assistant for daily coaching prompts, plug-and-play leadership playbooks and KPIs, a custom coaching playbook for your team's profile. All of that for less than the cost of one bad hire that underperforms and churns. Here are some examples of proven results. A team stuck at 7 million jumps to 29 million in 6 months by realigning leadership and reps. A $350K hiring mistake recovered by fixing the hiring and alignment process. And 3 written off underperformers turned into top 20% producers. Here is the math. 1 misaligned rep can cost $75,000 to $125,000 in recruiting, onboarding, lost deals, disruption, and 6 to 9 months to replace and ramp. Most teams leak 10 to 15% of revenue through misalignment. Our clients recover that in about 90 days and turn this into a self-funding program. You'll see the ROI calculator on the page. We will plug in your team size, and you'll see the investment is less than recruiting 1 rep while realigning your entire team. We guarantee measurable performance improvement in 90 days, or we keep working at no additional cost until you do. Plus, on our call, if we can't clearly see a path to at least 3 times ROI, we will not ask for your business. We know who we can help and say no to everyone else. You may be thinking, it's too expensive. Replacing 1 rep already costs $75,000 to $125,000 and a year of drag. We realign every seat for less than that and recover 10 to 15% leakage, so the program self-funds. Training never sticks. Generic training ignores wiring. We align behavior plus environment and give managers tools so they coach to data, not hunches. The team will resist. True alignment reduces friction and actually boosts buy-in and retention. I need internal buy-in. Our debrief and alignment report are board-ready and data-rich. Invite stakeholders. We help you close alignment in 1 meeting. This is not a mass market offer. We only accept 5 organizations per month because the work is deep and personalized. Here's how it works after your 15-minute P3 Fit Check call if we decide to work together. Step 1, schedule your diagnostic kickoff. 60-minute strategic discussion to assess your team and opportunity. Step 2, team assessment launch. Behavioral assessments are deployed within 48 hours. Step 3, leadership debrief and strategy. Full analysis and a clear implementation roadmap. Bottom line, your team doesn't need more pressure, more scripts, or more headcount. They need precision alignment of people plus role plus process. So here's your move. Click the link on this page or go to p3fitcheck.com and book your 15-minute call. If we can't show you a clear 3 times ROI, we part as friends. If we can, we'll turn the team you already have into the quota-crushing machine you've been trying to hire.